folks, welcome back to another edition of Getting to Know Glenholme. Those of you that have been to our campus up here in Washington, Connecticut know that we are very fortunate to have 110 acres of beautiful property up here on Sabaday Lane. And one of the greatest parts of our campus is the extensive sort of landscaping and gardens that we've inherited from the Van Sinderen family 51 years ago, and that we still maintain today as a really important therapeutic part of the property. So I'm going to send you over to Michelle and Brittany, our dynamic horticulture team, who do a fantastic job day in, day out maintaining and landscaping the property. They're going to tell you about a really special place on campus, the water garden, that's right next to the main entrance. A lot of people like to spend time there, very tranquil, and I'm going to send you right over to them.
Hi, I'm Michelle. We're here at Glenholme School, and I'm the horticulturist here, and my assistant, Brittany. And we're enjoying the morning in front of our water garden. Lots of wildlife in there. We have lots of water lilies, and
so we see little tree frogs, and we have some tadpoles in there. Every once in a while we'll have a nice gray heron come through. Lots of bird life.
And occasionally, we used to have fish in there, but occasionally the mink would visit, so he would swim in there, and they feed on frogs and fish, and it's a neat little ecosystem with tons of wildlife. Kids come down and explore and check out different bugs and dragonflies and water beetles, and it's a nice addition to the gardens. It's just very tranquil. Social workers and kids could sit down and just enjoy the beauty, and it's relaxing.
Thank you very much, Michelle and Brittany, for telling us all about the water garden, which is commonly known as the frog pond here if you talk to the students, but nonetheless, it's a very special place on campus. If you're interested in hearing a little bit more about how that part of campus came to be, you can click the link below, and Michelle will tell you all about the construction of the water garden here on campus. Folks, thank you for stopping in. It's another great water garden day here at Glenholme. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.